Okay, so I just got up and this is what I woke up to. I literally went to my computer. Kiki was crying at me. She was hungry. I was like, okay, let's see if we made it through review. And we made it. Review completed, pending developer release. It was approved. I'm so happy. The last one I submitted got the didn't work. That's okay. I did this at 4 a.m. It's 10 a.m. right now. I'm so tired, but I'm so stoked that this is actually it's through. I'm gonna release it. This is so cool. I'm so excited. All right, you can see here, we're ready to release. I've got the images and everything. Here we go. Release this version to 175 countries. That's pretty cool. And ready for distribution. I think it's good. Here it is. It's on the App Store for the Vision Pro. I mean, this is super cool. I mean, I don't have a Vision Pro, but I can still test it and whatnot. And I'm so excited that this is out and live on the App Store. This is so cool. It was so much effort. And to celebrate being this tired, we're gonna open up a nice White Can Monster. Cheers. All right, back to it. All right, really quickly, I'm gonna go over some things I had to do last night that were fixing what was going on. We had some weird styling issues. Apparently, I needed to be building with AVP environment variables applied at build time. I didn't know that because I provided it just as an env variable within Fly, but I need it with build. Anyways, I also needed to add drag and drop functionality so you can pinch and move cards. That was something I get denied for in the review. And another thing I get denied for in review was the game turn counter. I think the game was less clear on how to continue. And so I kind of removed the phase system. So now it's you just play a card and end your turn, and it should be pretty self-explanatory that you've either played a card, did some action, or ended your turn. But look at this. This is what is live right now. If you have the Apple Vision Pro, you can go in, and it's also on the website. I'm gonna be updating the website next, so it goes to my actual warlok.net URL. But for now, this is what it looks like. I got rid of that black background. I think this looks a lot cooler. You click play. Here you are. So the game log now visible, a lot more visible. And then boom, you can click on a card, drag, and drop it. Now, I don't have the Vision Pro, but had some friends testing it, and they said it worked really, really well. And I was so excited to see it working within the Apple Vision Pro. Actually, let me go see if I can find that footage really quickly. All right, so I found the footage, and you can see here, there's a black background, and I was, focusing on that error so much last night. What was going on? What is going on? It was really just a deployment issue with how I was building via Docker. But check it out. He's going to do a pinch and drop. It looks so clean. I'm oh my God, I'm so stoked. I really want to keep, making this better, but, it really seems like it would be so cool. You're playing cards kind of like this, or with other iterations of game modes. It just seems so cool. I'm so excited. But yeah, those are the main updates. Everything else I think I've showed off before. I did some bug fixing and whatnot. And by the way, all this code is available for free, open source on my GitHub at the Yu-Gi-Oh example. I think going forward, I'm going to be adding more updates to a different repo because I'm going to start adding multiplayer and backend stuff, but and I don't want that to be out in the public, but I'll try to keep this up to date as much as possible. But all right now, if you want to clone it and do something with it, go for it. It's all yours. Man, I'm so excited. Cheers.